Then I continue to say, bail condition.
We'll get back to you.
Ebusion for aha Ghana and Sam TVGH. Message or like, you comment, subscribe, and turn on notification so that anytime videos be away, you upload. There was some baby. Sir-Obama Pokuase. Sir-Obama Pokuase. Oh yeah, one of the popular guys on social media, especially Facebook, Twitter. Most of the radio stations in now munim Sir-Obama Pokuase. Esan say, say now anonymous person. Na Sir-Obama Pokuase no nipa na hono. He usually used to praise Kweku Baku, used to praise Kwesi Jabin and the others. So no any hero. And now be a name no say no like a name or anything of the sort. Just say unfortunately, NDC before we almost started on my buying way, they have not really been fair with freedom of speech and expression. And the video be APA Sir-Obama Pokuase so share on the page so and I'm going to say publication of false news. Publication of false news no. Ebe granted guy we interview senior ne China Conebra and all those things. Now and then like I say, jai guy non conifi. Already mbubu ni dime ni doors and everything. So muko effective arrest somebody assisting in investigation. Now, yeah, release guy in AYɛKa no. Now on no fancy comedy mo and I release at the same time. Yeah, ja na AYɛKa no. Afe police first am be chinubio. E dan sema almost see another case has been filed against him. Other case ben obi anem. Now, ebusion for sure say NDC government we there a democratically elected government there because me I said me hunu ye. I say obi ye military coup bi sa na. Na ye die 6 December no 7 nearby. Go for Kotoaba. I'm not sure because these are no trace of a democratic government because already in every advanced nation, there are people who stay anonymous. Yes. They say Anas. Why would you want to go and see the face of Anas? Why would you want to expose the face of Anas? Utiasie. The Sir-Obama Pokuase, there was nothing wrong with him being anonymous. Now, you use this flimsy excuse to go and arrest the guy. And beyond that, beyond just arresting him, you expose his face because police for mutual pictures of him. And now only I dare be covering him. Just to show say normally a sana police for here because everybody is innocent until proven guilty. Same picture, by the time police for crowd release in social media the without anything covering on his face. Say Sir-Obama Pokuase onwani. After you have let this guy spend days, a whole weekend in jail, just to release him and arrest him again. And your brother now want custody, Mona him say case for you take his statement on that. And now more law no say na here there. We just educators. Or just somebody showing where power lies. And the 2028 they will chrome hole. And at 2029 after 7 January, where do? Say, you say, after 7 January 2029, you must be able to join that police and I say national security. And I say Yoko. Because 3 places, they're brutal. So that is the latest. Sir-Obama Pokuase is free but not free. He has been re-arrested, taken back to another police station. As to why, I will let you know when further details arrive. Makram.
Yeah,
So, Chairman, then I continue to say, bail condition.
We'll get back to you. We are going to the headquarters. Thank you very much.
So that's Obama.
2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. Na galamsey say yensu wo e wona bremu ani change ye. Yensu nyina start say. Doma man adwin bone o de be hye o man no no. Be ka nyansasema kire mo. Onu akasa de tipa onim koye obefo so obetimasi ano. Onu akasa doma man no e na impro galamsey big hit e wo Ghana. First name mabru no mo ko galamsey site kwa no musuro. Because no see God no e di nipa mo jakra ti bi twa so. Answer about God naba. Nyansasem no. But na mabru ni party suya. What you say?
But unum say election time we do here now. Omobeto abano. Garancy for the mind this for far abano.
Yeah.
Garancy for the mind this for far abano. Inso na mo na dom say go muti. Me say me garancy ni but me about to pan there. Me nim say NDC ba o MPP na ti so MPP tampo na operation bu na e form. NDC ba he na obe operation. Is garancy for mo na musun nso about to time we do here na mo diem le kiki. Ye bom asum kura na mo nte hwe na mo gusu koto aba Ghana penifo. So onje youth for no.
Yama yenu ana o soro nkasa. Kobi.
Onje youth for no ntimomo.
Mr. Kobi. Why you ready so bakasa? Unye ready na minsi.
Bro, echecha omu nyina nice program na we.
So yeah.
Ghana ukunu omu hia de. So obi apere de e be ko no botom. And this omu ya azan party. And this nka ade papa bia mfa youth no. Ade na NDC ba so omu de aba amatimam ni anya ho mfa so da. NDC omfa bibia mai. So ese rekwa omu de galamsey fa so. Omu so mbombo otuo. So omu nka jo se jakura na kwatena fie ye be bo otuo ye nwene ho. Eso obesa kwatena fie no asa ba dadaw no aka che se obeyese 24 hours economy no mba maka wasem what the galamsey ni nyina ma onua Ibrahim Mahama no yes a millionaire obi nya problem ana akosolve Ghana sika no da akosolve ni ebo ni dezo o sika wa yin Ibrahim Mahama obeyese sika ni dabai Mahama na amna sika ni Mahama sika obo no wo president mu na no de ahye Ibrahim Mahama sa cement factory obi anyira e Mahama dia azu Ghana youth ni yate wo ana masa yaka enu otum ya kufu ado aban oba ya ma timamfo and this ntimi nya bi da ana om dia kowo eso oba sa be dadaw oba ka je so wo short man me wo sa be dadaw wo sa be
Jetina national security moto mo san fra ne say on for evidence nemra no enye hwehwemu no mu akutia na timi stop wo kontokwa no yate Ghana ana obi twituo wo obi fie ekobo ni toku no national security for about say ya chi ni pakwa na enhwemu be no mo ya fa ho kwasi asem ko no mutu odi say obi aye life obi abasonti ya be chi no omu sua nyansa ya ka kire omu ha ya mu bi ya be mo ye omani ye ba force ya ka kire omu
Tabio na omo NDC for no ye kan asem aye omo mayen ka no like me nchira Ghana say efie be mu na free education when ya so faso Ghana efie bie mu enya free education mu faso what you say efie bie mu nya nti mfa akufo ado ba ye when na ka ze wanya akufo ado so faso Ghana
Yeti Ghana me ba cho mo anu ko ba no oyima
etio yaka yetio kasa
me ya show le say my waste with time kakra so your boss e be mo ado no. Hello, Kate, what you mean?
I'm wasi fomo
On see for what so but I say when
Okoto G.
Okay. Sana Okoto. Me kebi Okoto. Me pacho mumu mano ko do kasa nkasa ma me so onye ready me be si no.
akon kasa ba akon kasa ni yentiro